Welcome back to the channel where we learn Spanish with stories. If you haven't watched the first part of our captivating tale, make sure to check it out. But for now, let's dive into the second part of our story.
Grace looked around the crowded shop,
Grace miró alrededor de la abarrotada tienda
hoping to find him.
esperando encontrarlo.
With a bit of sadness,
Con un poco de tristeza,
in her heart,
con un poco de tristeza en su corazón,
she left.
ella se fue.
I'm wondering if we'll ever cross paths again.
Me pregunto si volveremos a cruzar nuestros caminos.
I'm wondering if we'll ever cross paths again.
Me pregunto si volveremos a cruzar nuestros caminos.
To hope,
Esperar,
sadness,
tristeza,
sad,
triste,
heart,
corazón,
to leave,
salir o irse,
left.
ella se fue.
To wonder,
Maravillarse,
path,
camino,
to cross paths,
cruzar caminos,
again.
otra vez.
I'm wondering if we'll ever cross paths again.
Me pregunto si volveremos a cruzar nuestros caminos.
A few days later,
Unos días después,
in the city library,
en la biblioteca de la ciudad,
Grace was looking through the shelves
Grace buscaba en los estantes
for her next book.
su próximo libro.
She noticed an interesting book
Se fijó en un libro interesante
on the top shelf,
en el estante superior,
but it was too high
pero estaba demasiado alto.
for her to reach.
Pero estaba demasiado alto para ella alcanzarlo.
She noticed an interesting book on the top shelf, but it was too high for her to reach.
Vio un libro interesante en el estante superior, pero estaba demasiado alto para ella poder alcanzarlo.
She moved closer,
Ella se acercó,
trying to reach it.
intentando alcanzarlo.
Suddenly,
De repente,
her hand
su mano
brushed against the hand of a man.
rozó la mano de un hombre.
To move
Mover,
close,
cerca,
closer,
más cerca,
to move closer.
acercarse,
Her hand brushed against the hand of a man.
Oh,
su mano rozó la mano de un hombre.
Brush,
Rozar,
brush against something.
rozar algo,
Her hand brushed against the hand of a man.
oh,
su mano rozó la mano de un hombre.
They both
Ambos
felt a strong connection.
Ambos sintieron una fuerte conexión.
When Grace turned to face him,
Cuando Grace se volvió hacia él,
she realized
se dio cuenta,
oh, it's him.
¡Oh, Dios mío, es él!
surprised,
sorprendida,
they both
ambos
moved away.
se alejaron.
Accidentally,
accidentalmente
causing the shelf to fall
provocando que el estante se cayera
and injuring themselves.
y lastimándose.
To move away
Alejarse
accidentally
accidentalmente,
to cause
causar
shelf
estante,
to fall,
caer,
injury
lesión,
to injure oneself.
lesionarse.
I injured my leg.
Me lesioné la pierna.
I injured my back.
Me lesioné la espalda.
I injured myself.
Me lesioné.
If you believe that there couldn't be anything worse happening to Ethan and Grace, then you're mistaken. Click below to continue the story.